Hello, everyone. Welcome to Mohansh Technologies. So today I'm trying to exploring about Python full stack, Django, React, ML, AI. Okay, so this is the very much highly demanding course, which is going to be covering like end-to-end full stack application, like whatever the Amazon, YouTube, Flipkart, Myntra, and SBI.com, AxisBank.com, that kind of application you can able to develop starting to ending part. So this particular full stack is going to be having two kind of things. And one more important announcement. This is the class, free class. So we are going to be giving this particular Python full stack, Django, React, ML, AI from Mohansh Technologies, 45 days free, 45 days free sessions. Okay. So many people are having a question, sir, why you people are giving 45 days free Python, Django, full stack, React, ML, AI? Only basics will be covered? No, sir. This is going to be a end-to-end scratch to master level, basic to master level, basic to pro level, LKG to PG level. Okay, let me explore what are the different kind of techniques or technologies which are going to be covering in the part of the front end and back end. Let me tell you, in the part of the front end, we are going to be developing, we are going to be covering from HTML onwards. See, HTML is basic, from basic level, beginning level, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, the same time, React.js. We are going to be providing all this end to end, basic to master level. Front end, I want to make you perfect. Front end, I want to make you perfect. Then come to the back end. Come to the back end. Back end, nothing but you are going to be having server side and database. In the part of the server side, I am going to be dealing with Python programming end to end. Python programming, which is required like a variables concept to OOPS concepts, exception handling, multi-threading, all these things. And after the Python, I want to go to the Django server side, and I want to go with the Flask server side. These two server side definitely with API creation, JSON data handling, all these things will be covered in the part of the backend. Front end is okay, backend is okay. Then what about the database? Definitely, I show a MySQL database and I show MongoDB database. One database is a SQL database, one database is the NoSQL database. I will definitely deal with the two kind of databases. The one is the MySQL database, the one is the MongoDB database. Two databases with the project. And now master coming into the picture, hero coming into the picture. Who is the hero? Who is the master? Yes, that master, that hero is something like AI. AI. Yes, this particular database and server side, which is going to be integrating with the AI part. Okay, so for machine learning, again, Python related libraries like NumPy we will cover, Pandas we will cover, and Seaborn we will cover, and Matplotlib also I will cover. And one more thing, Matplotlib. The same time, we are going to be dealing with the machine learning models, machine learning, highly demanding nowadays, machine learning models. Okay, everywhere you are listening, all the applications are actually migrating to the AI. Even Excel, MS Office Excel also migrating with AI. Every application, cybersecurity applications, SAP applications, and cloud applications, all applications are actually migrating with machine learning. And for full stack and mobile apps, this machine learning is major important point. Machine learning we are going to be working with, and NLP we are going to be working with, and AI we are going to be working with. This migration, all this migration, project level. Okay. So what is our journey? Our journey front end to back end, back end to database, database to MLAI. See how much the variation, how much the variation beyond the subjects, the programmings and terminologies and technologies. And you start with the basic from HTML and you are ending with AI. Wow, super. And this kind of content outside people are actually charging like 3 lakh, minimum 3 lakh. This is the subject outside people are actually charging like minimum 3 lakh. In Madhapur, I seen some people are actually charging like 2.5 lakhs with the GST, 3 lakhs with the GST, and some other organizations, online platforms, Great Learning, some different, Simply Learn, Scalar, people are actually charging 4.5 lakhs, 5 lakhs. Okay, that much, that much money, why we need to waste? That much money, why we need to waste? Here, Mohan's Technology is going to be providing you people end-to-end Python full stack, Django, React, ML AI, 45 days free sessions. 45 days free sessions. Free means free. This is actually a Diwali offer, Diwali Black Bonanza offer, and we are trying to providing free classes from October 20 onwards, October 20, 2025. Okay, Diwali special gift, Black Bonanza gift, we are trying to providing you people. And our Mohan's Technologies YouTube channel, we are uploading a lot of videos related to the Python, related to the user interface. Already we started 2 batches for the UI and Python. And these two, another 2 batches, one is the Python full stack Django batch, and one is the Marn stack batch, MongoDB Express React Node. That 2 batches we are going to be starting on October 20th, 2025. So I will share all the group links, group joining links in the description. You people go with that. I provide those group links in the comments, and you can just join with the group links, guys. This is the blockbuster offer. And one more thing, how the job openings which are going to be available for this Python full stack, Django, React, MLAI. I want to show. Can you open LinkedIn? Yes, I will open LinkedIn. So I already searched the keywords. Then enter this huge number of openings. Python developer, AML developer, senior Python developer. Can you see? Huge number of job openings. Outside people are actually telling like jobs are not there, jobs are not there. No, that is a false word. That is a scrap word. You can see how many number of job openings? 1,06,245. This number of jobs are available, but we are not learning properly. We are not choosing the right path and right way. No need to waste your money. No need to waste your time. Just come to Mohan's Technologies channel, and you join with the group, and we will provide the announcement for that. Announcement already given October 2nd. Sorry, October 20th. October 20th, we are going to be starting 2 batches. And can you go with the found it here? So found it also, we are going to be having huge number of openings. See this, see this, see this. And can you come to the Indeed? Indeed also having a huge number of job, 63,000 job openings. Indeed is also. Indeed is a small platform comparing to the Naukri and comparing to this LinkedIn. But Indeed also giving 63,000 plus jobs. My God, super. And this particular course is related to the freshers and experienced people. Okay, so please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel. So this is what actually a blockbuster offer we are trying to providing you people. October 20, note the date, note the date. So all these particular technologies we are giving a free of cost. Okay, so please like the video, and this information share with your friends also, friends and family members, and who are actually learning, who are studying also. People are studying, okay, first year, second year, third year, fourth year, no problem. They can able to learn, they can able to understand. I am here, Mohansh is here to deliver the subject from BTech first year student onwards. Even intermediate person also can able to understand if he know subject, if he know laptop usage and all. Yeah, that is a promise. And one question people are actually asking that this particular 45 days free session is basic session. No, this is pro session, not basic. This is pro. After learning, after seeing the sessions, you can able to understand, oh my God, this much quality, this much quantity, and this much quality. Definitely, sure, 100%. So please share this message with your friends also, guys. We'll meet in the next video. Bye for now. Have a good day. See you signing off. Don't forget about the uh, subscribe channel and like the video. Thank you. Bye now.